Deep calls to deep in the roar of your waterfalls. All your waves and breakers have swept over me. Ang verse na ito ay nanggaling sa Psalm 42 verse 7, isa sa mga theme verses ng ating covenant celebration na pinamagatang Deeper Waters. Ito ay gaganapin sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan ngayong October 18 and 25. Alam ko po, it's a departure from the bigger venue kung saan ginanap ang ating covenant celebration last year. But because of a little constraint pagdating sa ating mga finances, we're moving to the smaller venue in order to accommodate our people still, despite a few challenges. Pero naniniwala po ako that it's still going to be equally powerful and it's going to be an amazing time. Dahil dyan, I personally want to invite you to please come to our covenant celebration. Pre-registering helps us to make the right preparations for your accommodation. Dahil kahit maliit man po ang ating lugar, gusto pa rin namin na maging komportable po kayong lahat. I would also like to take this opportunity to remind you that there are two things na kailangan po nating paghandaan pagdating sa ating covenant celebration. Unang-una, covenant celebration is a celebration of answered prayers. Marami po tayong mga testimonies from our people all across the different locations and even our outreaches. Gusto nating marinig ang mga testimony na iyan, but given the time constraint, we cannot highlight everything. Please take note. We can always write down prayer requests na hindi pinag-isipan o kaya born lang out of our needs. Pero I really want you to consider this and even pray about your own prayer requests bago po ninyo ilagay ito at isulat ito. And preparing the prayer list beforehand, gives you the opportunity to reflect on many things. Malay ninyo, dun pa lang sa pagsulat ninyo ng inyong mga prayer list, dumarating na pala ang kasagutan ng Panginoon Diyos. Pangalawang bagay, gusto ko na i-remind kayo na meron din tayong covenant seed offering. Kaya ito tinawag na covenant seed offering dahil binibigay natin ito tuwing covenant celebration. Para saan ba ang covenant seed offering? Basically, ito po ay tanim natin sa ating simbahan. Dahil gusto natin na maging daluyan ng pagpapala ng Panginoon para sa ating church. When God reveals kung ano yung bagay or amount na dapat ninyong ibigay, I think that is when your faith must be activated. I believe that for some of us, minsan nangungusap ang Panginoon of a certain amount na maaaring wala pa sa atin. But we begin to feel a deep conviction that it is something that we must give unto the Lord. I promise you, it's an amazing journey of faith at wala kayong panghihinayangan kapag ginawa ninyo ang kalooban ng Panginoon Diyos. If you look at the offering envelopes in Cornerstone, mapapansin po ninyo na ang covenant seed offering ay nandoon na sa mga options throughout the year. So, giving the covenant seed offering is actually not limited to the covenant season or specifically the covenant celebration. Pwede actually natin i-turn in ang ating covenant seed offering throughout the year. But of course, I believe, as tradition goes, parang mas gusto talaga natin na dalhin ang ating covenant seed offering during the covenant celebration. So, if that is what you want to do, please do so. With all of my heart, ako po ngayon ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong generosity. Hindi po maaabot o mararating ng ating simbahan ang narating niya ngayon kung hindi po sa faithfulness at support ninyong lahat sa ating pong simbahan. And as we come to the covenant celebration, I want you to know that the theme, Deeper Waters, is also our preparation for our theme next year. Connected po siya. And when we say deeper waters, basically, we are asking the Lord na samahan niya pa rin tayo sa ating paglalim sa Kanya pagdating sa ating pananampalataya. I believe we owe it to the Lord to go deeper in Him, to grow deeper in our love and our understanding of Him. As children of God, the best that we can do for Him right now at this moment is to offer our lives as living sacrifices. And that means allowing Him to take full control of our plans, of our ideas, and our daily lives. So mga kapatid, Huwag kaligtaan, ang ating Covenant Celebration ay magaganap October 18 and 25. Please pre-register and I hope to see you there.